okay. She's
You're
getting
okay.
antsy, so I'm going to have to put her back.
Yeah, we'll take her down the road, let her go.
There's her baby before she bites me. And that's a possum. You can see them wrapping their tail around the cage. And like I said, they eat yellow jackets, they eat bugs, ticks. We're close to tick area. We have ticks everywhere. The possum's really, you can tell, it ain't real aggressive. They usually play dead. But she's got babies, so she's just defending her babies. And you can't blame her. She's like any other mama. But that's our possum. It's late in the year, so I hope these babies make it. They have a long winter ahead. But it's pretty neat to have a possum with babies. You don't see that too often.